Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to try out some settings that we can use to change speed on our Android phone, to speed up our Android phone. So you can just try out this settings in order to improve the performance, responsiveness, and reduce the lag. So first of all, we can try reducing or turning off animations. For that, head over to your settings, devices settings, tap on it. And once you open up your settings, you can just go ahead and scroll to the options and look out for the About Phone section and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can go ahead and look out for the build number here. And once you find build number, you can tap on it 7 times. That will that will go ahead and turn on the developer options. Now, once you've turned on the developer options within your settings, you can go ahead and tap on developer options. And from there, go over to Windows animation scale. So you may just scroll down until you go over and find that section for Windows animation scale, which should be available here. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can just go ahead and set it all to 0.5 or 1 depending upon that. And once you do so, that will instantly make your phone faster by reducing the animation lag. Apart from that, in developer options again, you can scroll down and look out for limit background processes. If you have that option right here, which is background process limit, tap on it. And you can go ahead and select the option for at most 2 processes or no background processes at all. And that will do so. Or you can just go ahead and set it to even 2 or no background processes, and that should free up the RAM, speed up the foreground apps at the cost of multitasking. Apart from that, you can try clearing up the cache data. So you can go to settings, open it up, and go to storage from here. Once you find storage, you can just go over to storage from here. Let me search for it and tap on it, which should be under battery and device care. And from there, you can just go ahead and clear the cache. You can try clearing the recycle bin cache or any cache that is available, cached files available. You can try deleting those. And you can also try using light or go versions of the app. So if you're using Facebook, let's say the bigger one, you can try using Facebook Lite instead. Head over to Play Store for that. Go ahead and tap on it. And from there, you can go to the search below. And from there, you can just go ahead and type in Facebook Lite. And go ahead and install light version of Facebook. You can also use that for YouTube, Google Maps, or any other applications available. And that is it. You can also keep your software updated to the latest version. Head over to settings for that. And from there, you can go ahead and scroll down and find the option for software update and tap on it. And that should fix the bugs and improve the system optimization itself. For now, you can try out the solutions and see if it works for you. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.